Hey, what's up, guys? How are y'all? And how's things? Hope you're all doing good. Trust you're all doing best at your health. So, today I would like to answer the most asked questions by every Tom, Dick, and Harry. People who know Forex, but they have some doubts. People who don't know Forex, and they want to ask some questions. So, they are always doubtful whether Forex is gambling, Forex is safe, what is trading, why Forex, why do we win, and why do we lose. So, this is the mental psychology of mankind, Whenever he makes money, he feels very happy, and whenever he loses, he starts talking nonsense. Forex is gambling, Forex is risky, Forex is this, Forex is that. Well, last year I had attended one of the seminars in Nairobi in Kenya, and we had one of the very, brilliant speakers for Forex, and a Kenyan guy, and one of the guys from the seminar, from the hall, from the auditorium, he just asked this question, and he's like, "Sir, I would like to know if Forex is a gambling. Forex is safe. What is trading? Why Forex? And why do we win? And why do we lose?" So he answered all the questions point by point in a very beautiful manner and in a very beautiful way. So I would like to share all those things today to you guys so y'all could understand very nicely what Forex is and what it's not. So number one, Forex is Forex a gambling? It's Forex, traded like gamblers. Is it a gambling? Is it a casino? Or like what is it? So, guys, Forex is not a gambling. Let me be very specific and transparent. It's not a gambling. The difference between gamblers and traders is, gamblers play on their luck, and traders they trade on supports, on resistances, on indicators, on templates, on robotics, on many things, including news and many other stuffs. So forex is it's not a gambling, not at all, because if forex was a gambling, if it was a job of gamblers, there wouldn't be the name called as forex trading. It would be forex gambling, right? So it's not a gambling. It's trading. It's proper trading. How some people in the world they trade in chocolates, they trade in conflicts, they trade in clothes, they trade in apparels, they trade in shoes, they trade in food items, they trade in juices, they trade in fruits, they trade in rice. So that's the way we people like you and people like me, we trade in forex, in foreign exchange. We buy and we sell currencies based on all our sources, like indicators, templates, news, and robotics, and all these things. So the first question is very brilliantly answered, that forex is not a gambling. So forex is safe, of course. Forex is safe for the people who know what they are doing. For the people who have knowledge, who are well experienced, and who have all their rules and regulations set. They know their ground rules, what to do, where to do, how to do. So Forex is safe for those people. Of course, anyone sitting in the plane, like 700 passengers, if you just randomly ask anyone to go and fly the plane and just take care of the cockpit, of course he's gonna throw the plane down or he's gonna crash the plane, right? So you need to learn, you need to get proper courses, you need to study. So after all, if you do all that, Forex is gonna be really safe for you, because you know how to control your lot sizes, and how to control your market, how to control your trades, and how to control your positions. So yes, Forex is really safe as far as you have knowledge. But if you don't have knowledge, it's gonna be really difficult for you, and you're gonna lose your money. How a passenger just crashes the plane if he's got a chance to sit in the cockpit, same thing is gonna happen with you. So better learn, better take proper courses, and better study. So you're gonna be a really successful trader. So the third most asked question, what is trading? So guys, trading is, as I just answered recently, that trading is buying and selling of currencies. How people trade in apples, bananas, mangoes, apparels, clothes, uh, furnitures, and many other things. So we trade in currencies. We buy and we sell. We buy the currencies, we sell the currencies, and we have almost 29 forex and major minor pairs. And if you play on exotic, we have almost like 60 pairs. So this is buying and selling of currencies, and we guys trade in money. So that is forex. So the fourth most asked question again, why forex? Because some people they think that why forex? Forex is easy money, and why forex? So guys, just for the people who have this thinking in their mind that it's an easy money, really trust me, it's not an easy money. It's very hard earned money, because you need to learn a lot. It's not easy to trade in forex. You need to learn. You need to understand indicators. You need to understand naked charts. You need to understand the candlestick patterns. You need to understand what is price action. You need to understand all these things, and uh, then there are multiple choices that you want to trade on price action, on the reversals, on moving average strategies, or on the robotics and all the things, or on you know there are zillions of ways to trade in forex. So why forex? It's because you're your own boss and you don't need to report to anyone, and you just uh, you're not dependent on anyone. You don't have to deliver on time, and you don't have to work under pressure for anyone. So over here, you're your own boss, and this basically forex is much better than millions of businesses in the world. Because let's take a small example, that if you go for a restaurant business, you need to hire waiters, cashiers, chefs, and all these people in the kitchen, and then you need to make sure you do proper advertisements for the business, and many other things, groceries, purchasings, and then you need to meet your targets. If you don't meet your targets, you have to pay salaries from your pockets. There are so many issues. I was one of the owner. I had a restaurant in Poland, and I know the hassle, and I know how difficult it is to achieve the targets when there is snow, when there is a lot of rainfall, and all these things. It's very difficult. So in forex, you're your own boss. You don't have to give salaries. You don't have to achieve your targets. If you don't achieve your targets, this is going to happen, that is going to happen, or this or that, or your boss is sitting on your head, your manager is sitting on your head. No, you're your own boss. When you wake up, you open your eyes in the bed, you open a position, and by the time you go in the toilet, you're brushing your teeth, you're doing your susu, you're having your shower. Once you're out of the washroom, your trade is closed. So sometimes it happens like when you're working for 8 to 9 hours a day, that money you just make in 1 hour, just because of forex. So forex is lovely. I hope it's answered very beautifully. So people who ask always why forex, so that's the reason. So why do we win and lose? Okay, so this is a very well asked question again, and guys, it's always between when we talk about forex. So why do we win and lose? So the most beautiful explanation for this is because there is always a war. There is always a war between we, they, and them. Some people say that it's we and they, but I always say that it's we, they, and them. So we are we, they are the gamblers, and them are the bankers. So it's very clearly understood that it's always a war between all three of us. We have proper strategies, and we want to go in the right path, but gamblers, they just want to take their profits and they want to get out of the market, so they're going to take the candles in any direction. So we are struggling for the market to come on our end, but the gamblers, they want the market to go in the wrong ends. So the bankers, of course, the bankers, they are with the huge lots, they are sitting with huge standard lots. So we are the small traders. So what's gonna happen is sometimes we guys are gonna go ending up with the wrong strategies or wrong positions, so we lose our money. So sometimes if we are really on our toes, on our mark, and we really opened a good position which was supposed to be opened, and we win. So sometimes we lose, but then uh, don't take my statement wrong, or don't take my meanings wrong that, oh, so we lose, so why do you say forex? No, man. uh, in forex, we earn, we lose, we earn, we lose, but then it matters in the end of the month that where are you standing. Of course, if you lose 50%, you win 50%, that means your strategies or the way you're trading is wrong. But then if you lose 20% and you earn 70 to 80% of every month, that means you're on the right track. You're doing a really good job. So, why do we lose and why do we win? That's the main reason, because the bankers have very, very big positions, and they are always trying to, capture and eat those traders who are, having small capitals but opening huge lots because they're really greedy. They want to make double, triple of that capital in a month. So they do really wrong things, and they open wrong positions on the wrong market trends, so they lose their money. So you always need to make sure that you go with the proper money management, risk management. You need to study, study, learn, and make your concepts right. And if you are a professional, proper trader with your proper money management, I swear, guys, you're never gonna lose your money. Never. I'm a 12-year-old trader. I lost a lot of money in the first 2 to 3 years of Forex because I had all those, uh, questions, all these questions in my mind, and I just wanted to make some hard-earned cash. And in that money, I did a lot of risky tradings. I opened huge lots and wrong trades, and I really didn't know what's the support, what's the resistance. So I was always my money was always captured by the big banks, and I used to end up losing all my money. So then I started attending seminars. I started making friends, more friends in Forex. So of course, when you start making friends, your knowledge gets more expanded, and you know more things what you're doing, and more advices you get. So I started learning a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. And then, by the grace of God, I came on the right path. I knew what money management is, how to take care of the risk management, what lot sizes to open on what capital, and how to trade. I made my own beautiful strategy, and I'm fine now, and I feel very happy, and I feel very grateful to God to show me such beautiful business in life. So I hope, guys, all the questions are answered very beautifully, and I hope you guys trade very nicely. And best of luck for your trading, guys, for the coming week, and stay blessed. And if y'all have any questions on forex, or any stuff on forex, or any queries on forex, please drop me at forexnawab@gmail.com, or blindly shoot me a WhatsApp anytime if you guys want to ask any question on forex. So take care, guys. Stay blessed. Thank you so much for giving your time, and stay blessed. Have a good day. Bye bye.